Today we'll talk about how can you add device on your Wearfit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down here. You click here on devices here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on add device. You just click on it here. So then here you click here on while using the app here. Then it's going automatically to connect here with your device here on your Wearfit app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you.